The top 9 colognes that drive women crazy. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an invisible aura surrounding you? You feel pairs of eyes staring, sizing you, drawing curious glances and playful smiles. You feel pleased, especially when it's the ladies. Science says the key to unlocking female attraction lies in a single potent weapon. Not cheesy pickup lines or forced smiles. The secret weapon to your dating life might be hiding in your bathroom cabinet. That, my friend, is your scent, the power of the perfect cologne. In this video, I'll show you 9 colognes with irresistible scents that will have her asking, "What are you wearing?" You'll get a special discount for all these colognes at Scentbird if you click on the link below. So prepare to rewrite your love story one captivating whiff at a time. In the meantime, like and subscribe to Men's Style Hub. And let's go. Number 9. Tera by Vince Camuto. Imagine walking into a room with a trail of powdery vanilla and sandalwood swirling around you like a pheromone cloud. Ladies are definitely going to fall with curiosity flickering in their eyes. This ain't your grandpa's cologne. It's a modern blend of citrusy zing and warm comfort, housed in a bottle that screams masculinity but make it intriguing. Feeling intimidated? Don't sweat it. Tera's the perfect getaway drug for fragrance newbies. Just a spritz and prepare for the symphony of compliments to begin. Number 8. Guilty Pour Homme EDT by Gucci. Now listen up. This one's not for the faint of heart. Guilty Pour Homme isn't just guilty of smelling heavenly. It's accused of mass seduction and olfactory homicide. Well, don't worry, the victims always come back wanting more. This fragrance is a siren song, luring women in with its blend of sophisticated spices and musky whispers. Just a single spray, and you'll have ladies sniffing the air like bloodhounds, their curiosity piqued by the whiff of your enigmatic personality. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Wield this one wisely, Casanova. Number 7. Oxford Bleu by English Laundry. Picture yourself walking down the street with a breeze of sandalwood and crisp green apples in your wake. Of course, women will be intrigued, guessing if you are an educated gentleman from a renowned university, maybe Ivy League or probably Oxford. Relax, you don't have to be a Rhodes Scholar to pull off this scent. It's the ultimate way to enhance your confidence, expressing yourself with a classy roar. It's not your average college cologne, it's a fragrance for the man who has a subtle charm and a sharp mind. If you'd like it, then better brace yourself for a stream of "Did you study at Oxford?" questions. Well, you can just smirk mysteriously and let the cologne do the rest. Number 6. Burberry for Men EDT. Burberry knows a thing or two about timeless style, and their cologne game is no exception. This versatile scent is your go-to for any occasion, from a casual coffee date to a black tie event. It's a warm embrace of musk and amber with a touch of vanilla sweetness that makes you approachable without being cloying. Think of it as the little black dress of the cologne world. Reliable, elegant, and guaranteed to get you noticed. So ditch the confusion, grab a bottle of Burberry, and let the compliments roll in. We'll continue our olfactory journey soon, but for now, I'd like you to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fragrance adventures. If that's done, let's see our 5th pick. Number 5. Carvin V. Experiencing first date jitters? Relax. Carvin V has your back. This isn't a cologne that screams, "Look at me." Instead, it's a friendly handshake, a confident smile, and a scent that says, "I put effort in, but I'm not trying too hard." Just think grapefruit and lavender. Refreshing, crisp, and perfect for making a good first impression. It's like a breath of fresh air that clears away any awkwardness and makes you seem effortlessly approachable. Number 4. Amouage Jubilation 25. Feeling like the center of attention? Then Jubilation 25 is your wingman. This cologne isn't shy. It announces your arrival with a classic, refreshing blast. Think of formal events where all the cool kids and their sophisticated mamas want to be in your orbit. It's clean, crisp, and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression that says, I know how to have a good time. Number 3. John Varvatos Vintage. Think of you with a vintage leather jacket, a classic car, and a scent that tells a story of old world charm. That's John Varvatos Vintage. It's a cologne that has basil and rhubarb in it, and it makes you feel like you're in a fancy Italian place. It's the kind of scent that makes women imagine you as the dream man come to life. Successful, confident, and effortlessly elegant. But use it wisely, because you might attract more than just admiring glances. Number 2. Tom Ford Noir. Okay, gentlemen, this one's for the already coupled wolves out there. Noir isn't just a cologne, it's a mood setter. Black and pink pepper add a spicy kick, while vanilla and amber create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This is the scent that says, tonight is special, and leaves your woman weak at the knees, in a good way, of course. Just remember, with great fragrance comes great responsibility. You might also have to fend off some unwanted attention from other lady admirers. Number 1. Narciso Rodriguez for him. Finally, there's the ultimate charmer, Narciso Rodriguez for him. This isn't just a scent, it's a siren song for the senses. A blend of musk, amber, and violet leaf creates a soft, seductive whisper that'll have ladies leaning in closer. Women can't quite place it, but they're drawn in like moths to a flame. That's the magic of Narciso Rodriguez. It's not an in-your-face cologne. Be warned, though, you might need to choose a bride soon, because this scent could cause a love stampede. Remember, scent is personal. Who knows, your signature fragrance might just be the key to unlocking unforgettable connections. Just be prepared for the attention, because with the right cologne, women will definitely notice. So, tell us, gentlemen, which fragrance speaks to your inner heartthrob? Tera's electric shock, Gucci's seductive whispers, or the undeniable charm of Burberry? While you're at it, let me know in the comments which of these scents you are itching to try. Also remember that you'll get a special discount at Scentbird if you click on the link below.